stuck in a downward spiral for what seems like an eternity. Troubled Android phone maker HTC has been actively diversifying its portfolio this year. Sure, there was the mandatory One M9 flagship, as well as a bunch of Desire mid-rangers, but we've also seen some more or less unexpected entrants, such as the HTC One M9 Plus. Ah, an M9 in a supersized form, you might think. Not exactly. The M9 Plus is slightly bigger than the M9, but not really big enough to call it a phablet. At the same time, it bumps some of the specs up, like the resolution, but also turns things down in other areas, such as the chipset. It's really difficult to determine the exact position of the One M9 Plus relative to the M9, which is why we won't even try. Let's just review it for what it is. In terms of size, the 5.2-inch display is, naturally, well suited for video watching on the One M9 Plus, but its bluish-greenish tone really takes away from the fun of it all. Of course, this applies to games and any other type of visual media as well. A longtime signature feature of high-end HTC phones, the boom sound stereo speakers are alive and well in the One M9 Plus. Their positioning creates a nice, full audio scene which helps get the user immersed in the content they are enjoying. Sound quality could be better, deeper, but at least the speakers tend to sound clear enough, making them a better choice over those of the Xperia Z5, for example. The earphones bundled with the One M9 Plus are of the in-ear type. They are not too bad, but have that uber low, bassy, even muddy type of sound that drowns everything in low frequencies, so music doesn't sound as clean and bright as it should. We enjoy bass, but not when it's so out of balance.